This next program is very similar, but instead of running at constant power, it's going to run at constant speed. That is the only thing that's different. So the only thing we change here is instead of running with the same amount of power always going to the motor is always going to try to stay at the same speed. So here we are, instead of setting the power to run without encoder, we are setting it to run using encoder. And that's using the encoder as a feedback. Kind of like how we discussed on the previous pages at Modern Robotics EDU. This is going to look at the encoder count and then adjust power accordingly so that it stays at the same speed, the same encoder ticks per unit of time. You'll be able to tell between these two modes that the previous mode was actually running a little faster, and that's because this mode scales it linearly. So as you increase power, your speed output is going to increase proportionally instead of being on this weird scale. You should also have seen a graph of that on the previous page. When you're running this program, you can try to stop the motor if you have something nice on there that's not going to hurt your fingers, and see that, or give the motor more resistance in some other way. You'll see the motor is going to speed up, or it's going to stay at the constant speed. It's going to give it more power so that it stays at the same speed.